Welcome to FactGenie. Today, we will learn about the ever-brightest object in our solar system. Question: have you ever seen a star in the sky during the day? Of course not, but did you know that you see a star every day? Yes, our sun is a full-fledged star. A star, it is a medium-sized yellow dwarf star. We see it so big and bright because it is the closest star to us. Just as the Earth revolves around the sun itself is not stationary. It orbits the center of our Milky Way galaxy. This vast galaxy contains billions of stars larger than the sun. The sun is about 25,000 light years from the center of the Milky Way. Life on Earth would not be possible without the sun's light and energy. From making food for plants to regulating our climate, the sun is behind everything. But where does the sun get so much energy from? The answer lies in an extraordinary process occurring deep within the sun. At the center of the sun, under extreme pressure and heat, hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium. This process is called nuclear fusion. This is where the sun gets its boundless energy. Every second, the sun converts about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. Now, think about how big the sun is. The sun is about 1.3 million times larger than the Earth. That means that 1.3 million planets like our Earth could easily fit inside the sun. The highest temperature ever recorded on Earth is only around 56 degrees Celsius. But do you know what the temperature is at the center of the sun? About 15 million degrees Celsius. The distance from the Earth to the sun is also very great, about 150 million kilometers. It takes sunlight about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel this distance. The sunlight you are seeing now left the sun 8 minutes ago. The sun also has a lifespan. It will not burn forever. It is currently in the middle of its life. In about 5 billion years, the sun will run out of its hydrogen fuel. Then it will turn into a giant red giant, and its size will increase many times. So the next time you watch a sunrise or sunset, remember that you are looking at a living, burning star. If you want to know more interesting and amazing facts like this, then don't forget to subscribe to our FactGenie channel. If you like this video, like it and share it with your friends. And click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified of the next video.